ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Usembun Menteri Rangba kejelna ubak Prestone tensong haga hendreu terik ubnai risau arajar arpuai ula Kyntait war halor ke Jingkynnoh baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam de ke NPP kamsim lala ban Treikam katkum ke Jingkynnoh jong kipai ba nongsong snong kejelna. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ubak Prestone ula ong baka Jingsenshar jong ke Sorkar MDA kamsim la phel kumbala Kynnoh do MLA barim ke nongkrem constituency ubak Arden Miller basayo moj ha ke Jingpen bana badang shen ya ke sengsan perthai ke bathamai apo gani ke jilla Meghalaya ya ke bala ai kerteng Voice of the People's Party.
So whatever written in the Constitution of India means we have to accept that. That's why on the basis of that, or former MLA Arden Samwat, I just saw yesterday that he's going to form or float a new political party in the state. So I have no comment on that. For me, personally, I feel the more the merrier. My personal opinion is the more the merrier. You may have 100 numbers or so what? There's no harm. As I said, the Constitution allows us to have as much as you wish to have a political party. So there is no bar on that. You go back to PDF. The constitution of PDF, political party that time, I think when he formed a floated new political party, he said the same thing. Other party they are useless. So therefore, I am compelled to form a new political party. So the same way like Aden he said the same way, the same thing. So there is no new thing. Otherwise, why should you form a new political party? See, this is the personal opinion of anybody. We are the citizens of the state. We have every right to criticize, and we have every right to do whatever we want to do as per the prescription of the Constitution of India. So, saying that MDA government has failed, for that I don't agree. You can't just say that MDA government has failed miserably. If you debate on that, if you want to really know exactly what has happened during the tenure of the MDA government, whether development is there or not, yes, law and order problem are there. We have already faced so many challenges, no doubt about it.